We've all heard plenty of stories about evil AI taking over the world. While those tales belong to science fiction, AI is advancing rapidly, becoming increasingly capable and pervasive. It's poised to replace a wide range of jobs, from truck driving and legal assistance to software development and medical diagnostics. If you're beginning your career and aiming for long-term success in the AI-driven world, these 5 steps can help. Step 1. Develop practical and problem-solving skills. Focus on STEM fields like engineering, physics, chemistry, and math, as they are critical in shaping the future. Build expertise in these areas and use AI as a powerful tool to solve real-world problems, much like we use statistics or modeling software today. Combine critical thinking with technical knowledge to tackle complex challenges effectively. Step 2. Focus on human-centric skills. Emotional intelligence, communication, collaboration, and leadership will become even more valuable as AI takes over routine tasks. These human-centric skills will help you manage AI systems effectively and work seamlessly with others. Step 3. Pursue careers that integrate AI. Instead of competing with AI, position yourself to work alongside it. Explore fields like AI ethics, robotics, AI-assisted healthcare, or creative industries, where AI amplifies human capabilities rather than replacing them. Step 4. Embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. With technology advancing rapidly, staying relevant means continuously updating your skills and adapting to new tools and systems. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and openness to change, as this will be crucial in navigating the evolving job market. Step 5. Develop interdisciplinary thinking and entrepreneurial skills. Blend insights from STEM, humanities, and social sciences to understand the broader impacts of AI on society. Explore entrepreneurship as a way to leverage AI tools for innovation, startups, or unique market opportunities. The ability to think across disciplines and create new solutions will be highly valuable. In conclusion, don't worry, but don't procrastinate either. Remember, luck favors the prepared. Every generation has faced disruptive changes and found ways to adapt. Adaptability is, after all, a defining trait of being human.